This is FIFA 12 Happy Hour. You can get Ben Arthur, Arteta, Dempsey, double the chance today only for an hour. So I'm going to do a bit of pack opening now. And here's my first pack. Got to do it with Microsoft points because it's my first ever episode, and I'm just going to build up my money as much as I can with all this stuff that I get in the packs, and then I'm going to do another pack opening soon, so hopefully I get some good packs here. And here's my first pack. Perotta, never heard of him. And as usual, I get a crap pack. Get a Barcelona badge, but it's alright, but could do with better stuff than that. Who are these players? Might as well add them to my club so I have a bit of space in my trade pile. Send these to trade. Discard the rest, I think. Yeah. 371 coins for 4 things there. It's quite bad. Let's have one of these. Alright, let's see what I'll get in this pack. Guvu. Oh my, not even a rare. Set from shitty consumables. Is Premier League player. Kudachini. Nastat Jajuvu. It's quite bad actually. Got a fitness here. They'll do. What's this badge? Getafe. Discard the rest. Oh my, it takes ages to update this catalogue. Oh. Let's do another pack here. I'll be bringing videos out quite often on pack opening, but if you just subscribe, I need as many subscribes, likes and views as I can, because like then it will urge me to do more pack openings. Comment below, and then oh, Jesus Navas, it's not bad. 4-4-2 formation as well. It's a decent player there. I've already got him in my team, but 4-4-2 formation's not bad. 100,000 coins. Send that to trade. Oh no, shit! I was meant to send that to my. Discard the rest. Oh my, that is pathetic. Just gonna have to dashboard that there quickly. I'll just tell you about my team. I know I said I have to do it with Microsoft points and that, but I have got a decent team. After the pack opening, I'll show you my team. But I just didn't want to sell my team at the minute because like I've been playing well with it. But from the pack opening, hopefully I get another decent player out of this, and then I'll sell him. See how much I get, and then with that I'll do another pack opening as well, and then like I'll keep going on until like, well, whenever I can't be bothered to do this anymore, probably a couple years or something, but yeah. But after this pack openings, I'll show you my team. And tell me what you think of my team below in the comment box, and then I'll message you back. I'm just signing into EA servers now. And there you go. There's where the happy hour is. Now let's go open these last couple packs. Just want a decent player, to be honest. Oh, it's not coming up with Microsoft bit. Back out and do it again. There we go. Right, let's hope we get a good player in this pack, then I can sell him on. After this pack, I will only have 40 Microsoft points left, so I'll go out and get a silver pack or something. See you are getting that. I want an informed player out of this now, man. You got Puyo. Oh my, we're currently experiencing issues with the store. Please try again later. That is pathetic. EA, come on. Oh my. This is terrible. Oh, and I get disconnected. As per usual, EA are so bad. They need to get their connection sorted. Let's try again. Oh, I got store there. What's happening here? My packs? What's all that about? So who do I get in this? Rossi. Oh, and he's not even the 85. My, that's just terrible. You think you've got a good player, but you get a crap player. It's just not. EA do like to mug people off in this, don't they? Discard the rest. Right, see how much Microsoft points I've got left. Oh, I've only got 40. Let's go buy a silver pack. See if there's any silvers in Team of the Week at the minute. Oh my, what is going on with EA today? So bad. Look, man. Right, there's decent players in silver. That Sam's a decent player. Wouldn't mind getting one of them. Right, let's go buy this silver pack. Yeah, I can only get this one in it. Oh, have we got? No, I've not got a special pack either, man. Alright, let's buy this pack. Confirm that. Alright, come on. Just want one Team of the Week, and that's it. Barely ever get Team of the Weeks, and then everyone else gets 2 in a pack. It's disappointing for me. Here we go. Oh. Oh, who's this? Oh, and I don't get a team of the week player. I don't even get a rare. That. Oh my EA, please. Why can you not give me one at least? One. I'm just wasting my money on this. It's pathetic. 4-1-2-1-2 player as well there. Alright, all my trade piles full now. Alright, let's go see what I got in these packs then. Half of it's most probably consumables because I got crap players. Oh, sold one. Oh, that was from earlier. Got a player called Valdez, Kink, Rossi, Dummies, David Luiz, a Nike ball, Amberetta, Geekas, Osvaldo, Cora, don't even know how to pronounce that, Fuchili, Green, Jesus Navas in a 4-4-2 formation, Holtby, Healing, contract, 4-5-1 consumable player, fitness, contract, Barcelona badge, arm, Blackburn kit, Andre, a silver contract. Oh, and that's from earlier. Alright, I'll show you my team now. And there is my team. Look who's there. Yeah?